brain booster. Third question. So write the Roman numerals in the Hindu-Arabic system. Some of the Hindu-Arabic numerals are given: 26, 17, 39, 13, 35. These Hindu-Arabic numerals we have to write in Roman numerals. We have to convert these into Roman numerals. Then 26. How to take 26? 20 plus 5 plus 1. 20 plus 5, 25, 25 plus 1, 26. Then 20 representation, 10 plus 10, that is x and x. 5 representation, b. 1 representation, I. X, x, b, I. So this is the 26 representation in Roman. Then 17. 17 means 10 plus 5 plus 2. 2 means 1 plus 1. 2 means 1 plus 1. 10 is x, 5 is v, 2 means 1 and 1. I and I. I and I. Next, Roman numerals 39. So then how to write 39? 30 plus 9. 30 plus 9. 30 plus 9 is 39. So 39 means 10 plus 10 plus 10. 9 ix. Ix is 9. Ix is 9. This is 39. 13. 10 plus 3. 3 means 1 plus 1 plus 1. 10 is x. 3 means I. Then 35. 35 is 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5. 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 10, 30, 30 plus 5, 35. That is x, 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 v. X, 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 v. So these are the representation Hindu-Arabic numerals into Roman numerals. Next, in this fourth question, complete the series. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in this, 1, 2 numerals are given. Third, fourth, fifth numeral we have to write, and sixth one is there. Sixth one is there. Here, x plus x. 10 plus 10, 20. This is 4. 24, 25. Now we have to write 26. X, 6 means vi. 26. Next, x, 10 plus 10, 20. 7, vi, 27. Next, 28. X is 20. vi, 25. 25. So then 28 this is 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, and this is 29. So whatever is missing, in that missing, so you have to write Roman numerals. Now here x, v, I means x is 10, v means 5, I means 1. 10 plus 5, 15 plus 1, 16. This is 17. Now 18. 18 we have to write here. 18. X, v, I. 18. Now 19. X, X is 10, Ix is 9. 10 plus 9, 19. Next 20. Next 21. X and 1. 20 plus 1, 21. 20 plus 1, 21. So these are the missing Roman numerals. So in this way we have to fill missing Roman numerals. We have to check. So what Roman numeral is missing? According to that we have to divide and we have to write the missing Roman numeral. Now the fifth question, write the preceding and successor of the given number. Ready sir? Here Ix means 9. 9 predecessor means 8. 8 and 10 we have to write. 8 is here, then 9 is given and 10 here. 8, 9, 10. So this is 9. 9 reducer is 8. 8, we know 8 how to write. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 1, 8. This is 9 and successor, 9 successor is 10. 10 symbol we know X. Then after that, here X means 10, V means 5. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 1, 16. 16 predecessor, 15. 16 successor, 17. Means we have tried 15 and 17. 15 here and 17 here. Predecessor and successor. Then X means 10. V means 5. This is 10 plus 5, 15. 10 plus 5 plus 1, 16. 15, 16. Now we have to write here 17. X, V. 15. X is 10, V is 5. 10 plus 5, 15. Then 1, 16. Then 1, 17. 15 and 17. 16. Predecessor is 15. 16. Successor is 17. In this way, 15, 16, 17. So now here, X means 10. Ix means 9. 10 plus 9, 19. 19 successor. 19 successor is 18. 18 means XB. X means 10, V means 5. 10 plus 5, 15, 16, 17, 18. Then XIX, this is 19. Now 20, 10 plus 10, that is X and X. This is the successor, this is the predecessor, and this is the successor. Predecessor and successor, predecessor and successor. So we have to write predecessors and successor in 5th question. Okay. Now students, enrichment activity. In this enrichment activity, so what we have to do? We have to revise the concept of addition by place value. Addition by place value. So this is the we have to revise the concept. We have to revise the concept of addition by place values. So here, so what material we need? We need 3 set of 10 flash cards. Here one set, here another set, here another set. 1, 2, 3. 3 set of 10 flash cards in each set. Here in this we have 10 flash cards. Here 10 flash cards. Here 10 flash cards. Total how many flash cards here we have? 10 flash cards in each set. In set A, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ones places. Ones place flash cards we have. Here set B, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So means tens. We have to increase 10, 10, 10, 10, 10 means tens place. In set B, so we have again 10 flash cards. 0, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. So this many flash cards we have. 10 flash cards in first set. In second set, 10 flash cards. In third set, 10 flash cards. This is single digit, double digit and 3 digit. Then, how to do? So here, so we have to select 2 students, any 2 students from your class. Any 2 students from your class and student 1 and student 2, second student. So first we have to say that select any card from hundreds. So he selected, suppose he selected 300 card. So you take 300 here plus, and again so you tell him to select one more card from set tens, means in tens cards in set, second set. So suppose he selected 20. Again, so if he select a card from set 1, suppose he selected 6. So write here number 6. So he selected one card from this set, another card from this set and another card from this set. In this set, set 3 he selected 300 card. So from this set he selected 20 card, and from this set he selected 6 card. So in the same set student 2, Second student, suppose he selected one card from this set, that is 200. Write 200 here. Again, so from set B, if he select 10, so then write here 10 and plus. From this set of cards, if he selected 1, then you take 1 here. Then, so in ones place, in first student is selected ones place 6 card and tens place 2, 20 means 2 and hundreds place 3. The number is 326 if we add this. In the same way, he selected 1 from ones place and in tens place 1, 10 is there. 1 10 means how many tens are there? 1 10. So you take 1 10 there. And how many hundreds are there? 2 hundreds are there. In 100, 2. 211 he will get. He will get 211. Now, so if we add all this, then 300 plus 200, 500 plus 20 plus 10, 30 and 6 plus 1, 7. 6 plus 1, 7. It is in expanded form. So then if we add all these 2, so then what is there in 1's place? 1's place, 6 plus 1, 7. 7 is there. And 2 plus 1, 3. Here also we have 3. 3 means 3 tens. 3 tens, 30. Here 30 is there. Here 2 plus 1, 3. Here also 3 means 3 tens. 3 tens we are getting. 3 tens is 30. Again 300 plus 200. 300 plus 200 is 500. Here 3 plus 2 is 5. Means 5 hundreds means 500. 500. See in expanded form, 537 is 500 is 30 plus 7. In the expanded form, 211 is 200 plus 10 plus 1. And 326 in expanded form is 300 plus 20 plus 6. In this way, the common number means the number, so we have to write in expanded form like this. And the second student number, so we have to write in expanded form like this. After adding, so we are getting 537. That 537 expanded form is 530 and 7. So this again you have to repeat. So in more taking other two students and repeat this question again. And again after that again 2 more students. So you have to select and let them to do. So in this way, and again 2 more students. Otherwise you yourself, 2 pair of students, 2 students come forward and do. So these type of questions and these, so 3-digit numbers you have to form and you have to write in expanded form. And also, so add the 2 numbers and the 2 numbers expanded form also you have to do like this. Okay, this is the number, then 3-digit number, then how to form and how to write the 3-digit number in expanded form. So that is why, so this is the revised concept of addition by place values. Place values, what are the place values? 1's place, 10's place, 100's place. These place values, addition concept. Here we are adding all this and also, so we are writing here in expanded form also. We are writing in expanded form also. Okay? Okay, thank you.